they, actually have to enjoy in physical classes. Though they miss their classes, they miss their school. That is a big challenge. Other than that, I do not think so there's 1% of, a doubt in even child's mind that, I don't want to attend, the school today's session. So they're happy that Diwali vacations have started, but they're equally sad, that the classes would be missed. So yesterday we had to, like, for example, yesterday we had to miss the diya making, the activity, where Varushka till the end of the day, she was behind me that why didn't you allow me to, because we were traveling, so we couldn't actually, sit with the craft things with us. But she was like, I will sit in the car and I'll make it, on my own. So that is how it goes. And ma'am, believe me, it only comes when there is personalization. When your children, you, as you rightly said, grade 2, I have seen children expressing their thoughts even during the class. If they don't like anything, they say that we don't like it. If, like Devendra sir, when PT, so I had seen children saying that, we are tired and we don't want to do that. So this, when children gets this confidence, it is only because the school allows them to express themselves. And they're respected, rather than just listening to it and just, giving it an eye and not, implementing it. I have seen each and every teacher addressing each and every small issue of the child. May it be, something that is very small, like mujhe bore ho raha hai, then the teacher, I've seen teacher quickly transitioning into something really nice, which will interest the child, and then coming back to studies, which is an awesome job. That is a self personalization, which teachers have to have with the child. We can say that maybe it is because less number of children, so children are very fortunate that, there are 5 children in the class, and each one gets, half an hour ka pura personalized attention of the teacher. Though I would really want the school to grow tremendously, because wonderful job. Hats off to all the teachers, Devendra sir, for, taking it to such a level where last time also I had said, that I was wondering how the sports would be conducted, and it's beautifully done, where children, though there is no basketball, net in this in the house, but still children knows कि dribbling क्या होता है, throw क्या होता है, one hand throw क्या होता है. So these technicalities which are being taught virtually when there is nothing around the child, and child is actually understanding. So sir, hats off to sports. Yes, children are tired, rote hai bache, yes, a big kudos, because I'm very impressed with the sports. I have been, through sports, I have been a sports person, so I have this very soft, heart through sports. I encourage Varushka to, get into yoga, because she's equally interested in it, and I'm very impressed with the sports. So I sit, and I listen, I observe sometimes, whenever I get time, observe sometimes Devendra sir teaching sports, so that, I can little learn something out of it. Jyoti ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
EVS, yes, EVS, ma'am. I am good at sports. I'm equally bad at math. So I'm always with that, always with that. Okay, I have to have that. Okay, I don't, pass that on to Varushka. But touch wood, Varushka is doing really well with math. EVS, there are very few, in the entire subject, there are very few topics which have been picked. But I can say, the child understanding of a child is tremendous with those topics.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is that, out of 100%, the child may learn 50% or 60% of it. But that 60%, what they learn is they are thorough with it. So,
Thoroughly.
there
Yes,
is no
yes. Well
confuse.
said. Well said.
And I have observed that when Varushka is in the class, I don't even have to sit with her after class, because she is absolutely clear with whatever she is learning. So jab nahi hoti, tab yes, I have to put an extra effort, which is obviously different than what you teach. But her understanding through all the classes, is tremendous. And thank you to all the teachers, because it would not have been possible for a 8-year-old child to understand if we were not able to express. or make them understand the way they do. So
Right.
yes, thank you. So math has been my favorite subject since childhood. But
Good.
EVS, yes, yes. So may it be festivals, may it be the water, the festival ka understanding jo bachcho ko abhi hai. I was not able to express Diwali the way now she knows Diwali. So
Oh,
Bihu, may it be Bihu, because some festivals we do not celebrate, so
yes,
children really
yes.
don't know the importance. But जो आपने किया है अभी ना, I'm very impressed कि थोड़े से topics उठा के you have made them actually understand, and the topics that you have picked up are very basic. So the foundation of whatever we are teaching them. So
Thank you,
festivals
ma'am.
का भी foundation है जो you have teaching them. So thank you, ma'am. I'm
Thank
really
you so much, ma'am.
impressed. I'm really impressed with the personalization. One more thing I would like to add is, I have seen no rushing around. I'm sorry, I'm taking a lot of time, but
No, no, it's
this is
okay,
the
ma'am.
only opportunity where you get to express your feeling and express your feelings honestly. There would be no honest feedback if there would have been no online classes going on, because schools में we come, we meet the teacher for 5 minutes and then we leave. तो वो 5 minute ऐसे ही बात करने में जाते हैं, but this is the time I just want to grab. So yes, Snehal ma'am, yes, Hindi and Marathi. So Marathi is, as I last time also said, Marathi is my language. We talk in Marathi, at home as well. But having said that, writing is something is challenging, even if no matter English compared to English, writing in Marathi and Hindi is challenging. I have seen tremendous revisions being taken, so there's ample of time being given to revisions, though the question bank was shared, but it was not कि आप घर पे कर लो. I've seen an ample of time before the exams were given to children, so that children knew कि हमें क्या लिखना है, हमें कैसे लिखना है. And that is something which is really good. Hindi is still okay with Varushka, but Marathi, when it comes to Marathi, she is a little afraid of expressing. But Snehal ma'am, you have made it so easy, so personalized for them that they don't fear, though they know कि we are we
That's very
are
good.
yeah. So हमें थोड़ा सा नहीं आता, और Marathi is little challenging, but the fear is not there कि हम कैसे बोलेंगे, हम क्या करेंगे, that is not there in the children, and that is a very beautiful thing. Because child, it is okay to not know anything, but a child should not fear of their teachers. I've seen Snehal ma'am, whenever she logs in, she compliments children. So if Maya is wearing a beautiful jacket, or a beautiful hairstyle, or Varushka is wearing something good, I've seen always Snehal ma'am complimenting children. Beautiful thing to do, because I don't know schools mein ye hota hai ya nahi, but for these 6 months when Varushka was, I have seen it happening every time. So I believe that this is a practice that has been followed in the school as well, because it cannot happen कि एक बार बोला and just छोड़ दिया, and then that it might be कि there was something exceptional that day. But coming and communicating with the child, complimenting the child is something very beautifully being done. And I haven't seen that happening at all. So yes, Nehal ma'am, a beautiful thing to do. Yes, I am so impressed. I'm so impressed. Because पढ़ाई होती रहती है. As ma'am rightly said, Padma ma'am rightly said that children nowadays are very smart. They are on their own maximum time. A very little assistance that they need from us during the class as well, because everything they're doing it independently. Having said that, being an independent child, which Padma ma'am had initially actually told the children, and children have taken it so personally that now my daughter is doing everything on her own. So I'm so happy, I'm so glad that I have two babies. So I am, and now my the elder one is on her own, doing all her stuff on her own. So thank you for making my child independent. So right from logging in, taking a bath, eating on her own, helping me in the kitchen is one thing that she has learned. Though I tell her that please don't, because mera kaam double ho jata hai. But still, but still, uh, everything, these all the things have come from the school, and they have come this year. So I have seen a tremendous change in Varushka. I've seen a confidence in her. expressing herself. So yes, so thank you to teachers. Yasha ma'am, as I said, I've met you for the first time, though I've seen you many times. uh, Beautiful presentation of the art. There are different forms of art that you take, so wonderfully wonderfully executed, wonderfully planned, I would say. Because each time, even if we think about it कि 8 साल के बच्चे को हम क्या सिखाएंगे when it comes to art, that too virtually. But the children are so pro with everything that you have thought, that they sit back and they actually try and do whatever you have thought on in their free time sometimes. So that is the understanding that children have got, even if we say the designs, the faces that you have taught them to make, the straw painting that you've taught them, they have loved it so much. So very well planned, very well executed. I am impressed with the dance. So I am a dancer, yes. So I'm a dancer. So I love dancing, and I have seen Barushka enjoying dancing as well. The exams that were conducted were beautifully conducted, that even the dance, which was, way beyond our imagination, कि ऐसा भी conduct हो सकता है, कि you can go through this level to conduct online virtual exams, may it be sports or may it be dance or art. So hats off to everyone. I'm very impressed. Not a single or a second thought ke, uh, online classes can be a challenge or can be a curse rather than the physical classes. So no second thought about it. Online classes have been equally beautifully planned, executed, conducted by everyone. And there goes a lot of efforts of all the teachers, may it be sports. सोचना भी बहुत effort लेता है कि मैं क्या पढ़ाऊं बच्चों को, स्पेशली व्हेन कम्स टू 8 year, well you don't have physical uh, you know control over the child. You can actually ask them to sit in one place. Children are roaming around, children are very fragile, children are very naughty at this age, and making them put that interest is something which is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful thing to do. So thank you to all the teachers. And believe me, मैंने जितना भी बोला है, this is not because I have to say. As I said, I just wanted to grab this opportunity to tell this, because schools, we send the children to school and we have no idea कि क्या होता है classrooms में. But now since we know, and it is not for half an hour, it is for the entire 3 hours. So we really know कि क्या होता है classes में. And when we get to know it, there's a different level of confidence that comes within us as parents. So thank you, teachers. Yes, thank you, teachers, for everything. Nothing, no concerns as such. Yes, Padma ma'am, I'm so happy that there are certain restrictions being put to children, and not restriction as such, but there are certain what do I
Don't.
call it? A
Don'ts. We call it
tones.
as don'ts.
Yes, so बच्चों को एक what do you say, एक शिस्त लानी जला बोलता. So I have
Discipline.
seen that happening as well, and I'm very happy, because nowadays schools are lagging far behind uh, parents के डर से कि मैं अगर डांट भी दूं तो parents would come. And I've seen not a single gist in you, when it comes to बच्चों को मतलब शिस्त लावाइला. So I'm very I'm very thankful to you, because I want children to be, or to know what a school is. And ki shista काय असते, there are certain rules that needs to be followed. So if a no is if there is a no, no is a no. So thank you for that, because I really want children nowadays ki children to learn this. When it's a no, it's a no. And that comes more than parents nowadays, it comes from the teacher. So thank you, Padma ma'am, for that as well. And Kavita ma'am, what do I say about it? About you? So each and every child a personal attention, though you're not in class, yes, because meeting the children, whenever there's a requirement, whenever you feel the need, talking to the child, counseling the child is something I have seen very, very, very A few schools may be doing it, but I haven't seen, not being in the class and knowing everything about a child. So you just send a message on the group, and you are the first person to reply whenever there is any concerns, or whenever there is some problem. So you are the first one. So that is a personalization that I was talking about. So beautiful, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And I'm
Thank
really
you.
happy to be a part of
Thank you.
Head Over Heels. I just hope and I just pray that we continue this relation throughout my child's both my children's education life. So
Thanks.
uh, grow well and flourish well. I hope for lot and
Thank
lot of
you.
admission, so that children can come and learn, parents can know what a child centric school is. So beautiful, ma'am. And I would not take much of your time now, because I've taken a lot of it. I'm sorry, parents.
That's really
Yes,
nice.
ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you for speaking your heart. And each word was like gelling with the philosophy. We wanted the parents to understand that that's how the child is, and that's the child psychology. As a parent, if you are able to connect to the philosophy and the policies of a school, that shows that we are with children and you are sensitized or about the do's and don'ts or about the way we are teaching. So that also says that yes, what we are doing, it's a help, or rather another tick for us to say that yes, we are going on a right path. So thanks for sharing all this, Varushka's mom. Thank you very much. These are the insights, and they really help us to, of course, it motivates us to do a lot more, and it helps us to go on the right path. It will also let us think now beyond this. Thank you so much. We have Rajvi's mom here. We shall open mic for you, ma'am. Thanks for joining. We can see that you are traveling, but if you can, any insight, any feedback, if you have, you can.
Hello everyone. Sorry, actually, I've been traveling and yeah, it. But still, I wanted to join, and yeah, the network is also good that I can hear. I heard Varishka's mom also speaking. So yeah, I want to echo the same thing. Like even
Good
though
morning.
staying with her grandparents there, but whenever I talk to her, like I could see that her involvement with everyday activities, whatever is happening in the class, she's very much into that, and she's, I think, enjoying. Also, I can see that for her exams also, she was very much interested to, like she was keen on, like she should do good, and in each and every subject, like I think she was interested, and I could see like there's a lot of improvement also in her. Like I was amazed to see she could write complete sentence answers in complete sentence. So that is also one thing which I mean I didn't knew because she's not with me with her parents, but because I mean teachers efforts, obviously she could do that. I saw the papers that were sent on the group. So yeah, I could say I mean that's amazing work being done through an online class. So yeah, I must say I really appreciate that. And also the other extracurricular activities that are happening. So I can see being online, even though the children are very much involved and get participating, so that is also a good thing. So I'm happy with her progress and overall environment. I mean, what they do this 2 3 hours. So yeah, I must say thank you to all the teachers and Kavita ma'am also.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. That's
And
really nice. So, yes,
yeah, one more thing I like to add that she has also made good friends in the class. I mean, if suppose teacher is not there for 1 minute, also like they start chit chatting, and that is also a good thing in this lockdown period that they actually get to talk to someone of their age. So that is
mm,
also something she enjoys.
good, good. Thank you very much, ma'am. I can see. I hope she's not driving, right? Nahi. She's sitting.
No, she yeah, she. I am going. I'll be with her within few hours. So yeah, she'll
Okay.
tell me
Oh,
more.
wow. Congratulations. That's lovely. She has missed you a lot. Good.
So first 3-4 weeks I'll be spending with her.
Amazing. Good, good. Okay, so grade 2 parents, thank you very much. We had a lovely relation with you all. A lovely team has been formed. We are also looking forward for the team to grow along with us as our school grow, children to grow along with us as the school grows. Please do take care of your children, yourself. Have happy and safe Diwali.
Yes, thank you so much for everyone, all the parents, Maya's parents, Tejas' parents, Rajvi's parent, and Varishka's parents. Happy Diwali to all.
Thank you.
Yes,
Happy
Snehal.
Diwali. Snehal teacher wants to say something.
Yes, yes, Snehal.
Ma'am, I am
to the
leaving, ma'am.
parents.
I am
Yes,
leaving. I am going to open.
Yes, Jyoti teacher, you can carry on to the next grade.
We can't hear you,
Snehal teacher, we can't hear you.
हेलो
Ala,
Yes.
yes.
क्या आवाज
Yes.
स्पेशली जब हिंदी मराठी का टाइम आ जाता है तो ऐसे होता है कि राइटिंग पार्ट डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है या वोकैबुलरी कम पड़ जाती है या क्या लिखना है कुछ नहीं समझ में आता है नॉन मराठी बैकग्राउंड है तो क्या करे कैसे करे तो आई वांट टू सजेस्ट फ्यू थिंग्स टू ऑल द पेरेंट्स ऐसा नहीं है कि जो मराठी बैकग्राउंड के है उनको ये जरूरत नहीं है सबके लिए है दिस इज द स्मॉल एंड वेरी इजी you can say not a technique but it's a easy way to learn them क्विकली जैसे कि आपके घर में जो कुछ भी चीजें आप पैकिंग करके या आ जाती विद द पैकिंग मेरे पास जो है जैसे वाघ बकरी चाह तो यहाँ पे इसका मराठी में नाम आ जाता है ठीक है तो आपको जस्ट ये करना है कि ये कट करके आपके इसके पीछे लगा देना है डोर के पीछे कसूरी मेथी है तो विद पिक्चर आ जाता है यहाँ पे इंग्लिश नाम है और यहाँ पे मराठी नाम है तो ऐसे हो जाता है कि बच्चों को एक साथ मराठी हिंदी इंग्लिश हो जाता है विद द पिक्चर आपके लिए उसको स्पेशली कुछ पिक्चर डाउनलोड करने हैं सर्च करने की जरूरत नहीं जैसे कि अभी ये होता है वेलची पाउडर सो दिस इज नेम ऑलरेडी रिटन विद द पिक्चर तो ऐसे हो जाता है तो आपको ये सिर्फ स्टिक करना है और जब आप बच्चे को कट करके देंगे आप स्टिक करो डबल साइडेड टेप से तो ऐसा होता है कि बच्चों को और इंटरेस्ट आ जाता है कि अरे हाँ ये मैंने कट किया है मैंने चिपकाया है मतलब आपके यहाँ जो कचरा है वो जो फेंकने के बॉक्सेस है वो आपको कट करके स्टिक करने हैं उसके बाद में आपको ये बोलना है कि ठीक है इसके नाम आप कॉपी करो जैसे कि अभी ये चिकन मसाला दिस इज लकी चिकन मसाला रिटन इन हिंदी और मराठी यू कैन से तो आप क्या करोगे कि उनको कॉपी करना है तो ऐसे इससे ऐसा होगा कि बच्चे इजीली कॉपी कर लेंगे आपको ज्यादा टाइम नहीं देना पड़ेगा फर्स्ट मंथ आपको एफर्ट्स लेना है कि ये चीजें हमने लाई इसका बॉक्स या इसका आउटसाइड का जो कर्टन है वो कट करके वहां पे डबल साइड से चिपका देना फिर उसके बाद में मसाले के बहुत सारे थे जैसे सुहाना फिर उसके इसका नाम यहाँ पे लिखा होता है उसकी प्रोसीजर लिखी होती है जैसे कि हम क्रिएटिव राइटिंग के लिए या हिंदी मराठी के राइटिंग के लिए तो यहाँ पे उसकी फुल प्रोसीजर हिंदी में भी दी जाती है तो ऐसा होगा और वो प्रोसीजर ज्यादा से ज्यादा 2 या 3 वाक्य में दी जाती तो कम से कम 10 वाक्य यहाँ पे हो जाएंगे तो ऐसा होगा कि बच्चों को वो लिखने के लिए हम एनकरेज करेंगे और वो सामने देख के लिखना है हमें ज्यादा एफर्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं आपको सिर्फ वो उठा के देना है और देखना है ये लिखा है या आप एक कर सकते हो कि आप लिख दो किसी पेपर पे और वो कॉपी करेंगे तो कॉपी राइटिंग हो जाएगा इससे ऐसा होगा कि उनका जनरल नॉलेज बढ़ेगा जैसे अभी सिर्फ एक एग्जाम्पल है ये सुहाना है सेम लाइक दैट एवरेस्ट का आता है तो आपको क्या लगता है बच्चों को हम पूछ सकते हैं कि एवरेस्ट नाम क्यों दिया है तो एवरेस्ट किसका नाम है माउंटेन का नाम है पीक का नाम है तो फिर वो हमारी जो डायरेक्शन है हमारी उनको नॉलेज देने की वो बढ़ जाएगी तो फिर मसाले का नाम जैसे एवरेस्ट दिया है तो एवरेस्ट किसका नाम है कि कौन से माउंटेन में है वो फिर वो क्या है हाईएस्ट पीक है तो हर चीज जो है मतलब हिंदी मराठी जीके फिर ऐसा होता है कि मैंने इस मराठी के क्वेश्चन में भी क्वेश्चन पेपर में दिया था कि नाम पढ़ो और उसका जो पिक्चर है वो बनाओ तो ये जो रियल के जूसेस वगैरह आते हैं तो वहां पे बहुत सारी फ्रूट्स है कि जो हम हर रोज या जनरली यूज नहीं करते बट ये फ्रूट जूस लाते हैं तो यहाँ पे उसका पिक्चर होता है, तो ये देखो और ड्रॉ करो, फिर उसका कट आउट निकालो। फिर ऐसा होगा कि बाबा आर से शुरू होने वाले जितने शब्द है वो चुन के उसमें से लिखो, ई से शुरू होने वाले शब्द है कौन से है लिखो। तो हिंदी, मराठी, इंग्लिश, ईवीएस, इस सब के लिए ये यूज किया जाएगा। तो इससे क्या होगा कि बच्चे को ओवरऑल सब्जेक्ट के लिए या उनके जीके में ये होगा, और मराठी, हिंदी लिखने में, कॉपी राइटिंग में उन्हें इजी हो जाएगा। जस्ट ये थिंग मैं बताना चाहती थी। उसके बाद में ऐसा होता है कि मंथ्स मराठी में पार्ट लर्न करने या हिंदी में लर्न करने हैं, तो वो नवंबर, सितंबर लिखना है, तो उनको बहुत ये होता है कि नहीं हमें नहीं लिखना है, या फिर लगता है कि अरे इंग्लिश में लिख लेते, मराठी हिंदी में नहीं लिखना है। तो स्पेशली बच्चों का एक ये रहता है, बर्थडेज उनके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रहते हैं। किसी का भी कोई भी बर्थडे हो उनको अच्छा लगता है, तो आप ऐसा करने वाले हो कि जैन से लेकर दिसंबर तक हर महीने में किसका बर्थडे है आप नोट डाउन करो आपकी डायरी में। तो ऐसा होगा कि जनवरी में किसका बर्थडे, आपके किसी मामा का, मामा के लड़के का, दादी का, किसी का। अगर किसी का बर्थडे है भी नहीं कोई मंथ में, तो ऐसा हो सकता है कि बाबा आपको ये एक्ट्रेस फेवरेट है, ये एक्टर फेवरेट है, ये फेवरेट है, तो उनका आप बर्थडे लिख लो, और उसका जो बर्थडे है वो इंग्लिश में ही ना लिखते हुए मराठी और हिंदी में भी लिखो कि नवंबर, नवंबर। तो उनको ऐसा होगा कि अरे हाँ ये नवंबर ऐसे लिखते हैं, और फिर उस मंथ में उनको मतलब आप चेक कर रहे हो उस मंथ में उनको याद दिलाने कि अरे उनको कुछ बर्थडे कार्ड बनाओ या कुछ तो बनाओ, तो वो नवंबर लिखेंगे, नवंबर लिखेंगे, सितंबर लिखेंगे। कुछ जो है जो हिंदी मराठी में डिफरेंट है, तो वो हिंदी मराठी में लिखने की प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी। फिर इस साल उसका कौन सा वार आता है, सोमवार आता है, मंगलवार आता है, गुरुवार आता है, तो वो उनको ये देखकर लिखना है, कैलेंडर देख के लिखना है। तो उनको ज्यादा से ज्यादा चीजों को संभालने का, उनसे रेफरेंस लेने की आदत लग जाएगी, और फिर उस हिसाब से उनकी मराठी, हिंदी और ओवरऑल जो सब्जेक्ट है उनमें उनका इंटरेस्ट पैदा हो जाएगा। जस्ट ये थिंग मैं चाहती थी कि आप अगर फॉलो करेंगे तो वो बहुत ज्यादा बच्चों को इजी होगा और अच्छा लगेगा।
ओके,
थैंक
थैंक यू वेरी मच स्नेहल टीचर, बहुत ही अच्छी इंसाइट है। वैसे स्नेहल टीचर इज ऑल्सो अ रेमेडियल टीचर, so her act is also to make a lot of difficult things very creative and easy for any kind of child. So if any of you feel कि ये मेरे बच्चे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, इस particular topic उसको बहुत tricky लग रहा है and it's getting very confusing or difficult, just post a message on the group and she will be able to come up with some ideas on how it, and since she knows the child also quite well, it will be easy for her to relate and come up with some ideas on how to go about making it easier for the child to learn. Okay, anything else that, and yes Tejas ke papa, yes you can speak. We can't hear you, आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है।
अभी आ रहा है?
yes
जैसे कि स्नेहल मैम ने कहा कि बच्चों को ये सारे नेम वगैरह जो लिखा है दिखाया जाएगा, कॉपी पेस्ट किया जाएगा, उनको तो ये आइडिया तो बहुत ही अच्छा है। बट इसके साथ मैं एक और एडिशन करना चाहता हूँ कि बच्चों को अगर कोई भी लैंग्वेज सीखनी है, जैसे कि हम मेरी तो मराठी लैंग्वेज मराठी है, तो हमको जैसे लगता है कि इसमें अगर मुझे इंग्लिश सीखना है तो उसके लिए कॉन्वर्सेशन होना बहुत जरूरी है, एक दूसरे के साथ कॉन्वर्सेशन होना जरूरी है। तो ऐसे ही मराठी अगर कुछ सीखना है तो मराठी बच्चों के साथ या मराठी पेरेंट्स के साथ, मराठी अपने जो भी कलीग्स होंगे उनके साथ, किसी के साथ भी मराठी में थोड़ा बहुत बात करते रहेंगे तो और बेटर उसको सीखा जा सकता है।
okay yes okay fine. Anything else that Raji's mom, Barushka's mom, Maya's dad would like to share and speak about, or we're fine? No. Okay, everyone's giving me a thumbs up. Okay, so thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Thank you for all the efforts that parents are putting in these unknown times. I mean, we were just speaking with teachers yesterday that we have completed 7 months of an online classroom and completed the examination, orals, written, practicals in higher grades. We had to do physics, chemistry, biology practicals for higher grades. We never thought we would cross that bridge, but looks like we have kind of come quite close and, you know, doing quite well with that. So thanks. We couldn't have gotten there if not for the support and help that we get from you. Your encouragement really, really matters to us. You keep guiding us if we are going on the right line. So that's really important for us. The WhatsApp channel is always open. Any feedback, any concern, do not hesitate to write to us. Most of the times, even on weekends, you know, once we see the message, we just look to reply. So don't hesitate to write to us, no matter what is the topic. Always our channels are open for communication. Thank you so much, and we wish you all a wonderful Diwali. Be safe and take good care of yourself. One moment. Some of you have closed your mics. I'll just open that up. Yes.
Now, just wishing everyone a very happy Diwali.
Thank you. Thank you so
Happy
much. The
Diwali
other
to
teachers
everyone.
had to leave because they have to move on to the other grades. But thank you very much, parents. Thank you very much for all the support we get from you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have
Thank
a
you,
wonderful
Rajvi's
day.
mom.
Yeah.
Have a safe trip and send us a photograph of you with Rajvi.
Thank you. Happy Diwali.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.